Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel while we dive into the latest breakthrough in tech space and innovation of sci-fi movies. A Chinese car company launching satellite from the C2 supercharged self-driving car. That's right, Geely. The automotive giant just deployed 11 new satellite in a midnight launch that's pushing the boundary of space and mobility. If you're into EVs, autonomous tech, or China's booming space industry, stick around. That is huge. It's just after midnight on August 9, 2025, off the coast of Rizhou in China's Shandong province. Thousands of spectators packed the beach, phones at the ready as a massive crowd witnessed history at exactly 12:31 a.m. Beijing time. The Smart Dragon 3 rocket rose to life from a floating sea platform, lighting up the night sky like a second sun. This wasn't your typical land based launch, it was offshore, showcasing China's flexible and rapid response space capability. The Smart Dragon 3 or SD3 is a solid fuel rocket developed by the China Academy of Launch Vehicle Technology. It is designed for a quick setup and can carry multiple payload into low Earth orbit. In this mission, it flawlessly delivered the Gili 4 Constellation 11 satellite into their planned orbit. From the footage, you can see the excitement. The rocket exhaust plume creates the ethereal glow, trailing up through the clouds as the crowd cheers. This launch marks the fourth sea based mission for the SD3, proving how China is mastering mobile launch tech to avoid weather delay and crowded island sites. This isn't Gilly first rodeo. With this success, they are now got 41 satellite in orbit, up to 30 just last year. They are on track to hit 64 by October 2025. You might know Geely is a major Chinese car maker. They own brands like Volvo, Lotus, and Zeekr, and they are huge in electric vehicles. But did you know they are also building a space empire through their subsidiary Geely Space, short for Geely Space? They are creating the future mobility constellation, a network of low Earth orbit satellite tailored for the same auto industry. Geely isn't making a cars anymore. They are integrated a space tech to make them smarter. Founded in 1986 as a refrigerator maker, Geely evolved into a global auto powerhouse under Chairman Li Shifu. In 2018, they entered the space game, aiming to support their EVs with satellite-based service. Geely Space launch in 2020 handled the satellite development and operation. Why satellite? Traditional GPS has limitation. It can be accurate in cities or with weather, and it doesn't handle real-time communication well for connected cars. Geely sets fixed by providing centimeter level precision positioning, which is crucial for safe autonomous driving. The Geely 4 satellite are communication and navigation boards in low Earth orbit around 500 to 600 km altitude. Each one is equipped with advanced payload for high precision positioning. Using augmentation tech, they deliver centimeter level accuracy. Think self driving car navigating tight urban street without a hitch. Inter vehicle communication car can talk to each other by satellite, sharing data on traffic, hazards, or even coordinating platoons for efficiency. AI remote sensing onboard AI process Earth observing data for mapping and environmental monitoring, which ties back to smarter route planning. Then third one is global broadband support, low latency connection for over the air update, informant and emergency service and remote access. These aren't massive like Starlink satellites. They are compact, being around 100 to 200 km each, optimizing for cost effective launches. The consultation uses multiple orbital plans, better coverage. With the launch, they have completed their fourth plan. In the bigger picture, Geely plans a first phase constellation of 72 satellites by the end of 2025 for 90% global coverage, expanding up to 40 in phase 2 and eventually up to 600 for full broadband service. The ambition rivaling SpaceX Starlink but focus on mobility tech. This launch isn't about Geely, it's win for China commercial space sector. Private companies like Geely Space are driving innovation, reducing costs and challenging global players. It shows how auto and space industry are merging potentially, giving China EVs an edge in the self-driving race. But there are challenges, regulatory hurdle, space debris concern, and competition from the established consultation like Starlink. Still, with successful tests in place like Oman, Geely providing their tech workers globally. On the flip side, this could accelerate affordable, precise navigation for everyone, not just luxury cars. What does this mean for the world? More integrated tech ecosystem, but also geopolitical shift as China ramp up its space presence. So there you have it. Geely space launch is a game changer for space and auto. What do you think? Will satellite powered self driving become the norm? Drop your thought in the comment below. If you enjoy this, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and hit bell for notification. Check out my previous videos